how to fix Instagram two-factor authentication code not received. So if you're facing a problem with the Instagram code, right? So the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might lag with that code, or you might not receive the code. And the next thing you need to check is your information, like your email address. And the another thing is you need to check your information, like your email address or your phone number. Like if you have entered the wrong phone number or the wrong email address, then your code will also be sent to that wrong email or wrong phone. So first, check your Wi-Fi and then your information, like if you have typed the correct information. And then even after checking that, if your problem still doesn't fix, like if you don't receive the code, then the next thing we need to check is your notifications. Like if you have turned off your notifications, then you won't receive the code. So open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and go for see all apps and go for Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, now here on the first you will have notifications option. Simply tap on notifications, and here you have to turn on all of your notifications. And after turning that on, now you will receive the codes. And the other fix is you can simply go back and then go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. And after that your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.